And then when you eat, you enjoy because you sweat for it. You enjoy, you eat it with precision. Yeah, because you've worked hard for it. Fufu no be joke, oh. Fufu no be joke. Greetings, my beautiful people. Greetings to you wherever you are. I have a big smile on me because I'm happy to see you, to see you, to see you, to see you. Greetings to you and special greetings to my 542 subscribers. Can you believe it? We are growing, we are growing, we are growing. Thank you. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you and welcome to Sengo's Kitchen, Boyoma Village. Welcome. And if it's your first time to stumble around this channel, please make sure you subscribe, comment, like the video. Alright, today it's another special day. It's another brand new day in Sengo's Kitchen. I have something special to cook for you guys. I'm making some lunch, just quick lunch so I can eat. And I thought I could bring you guys over because it's been a while. I miss you guys. Nice to see you again. We're back again. Myself and Sengo's Kitchen. We're on fire. I'm making something special today, something very quick for lunch so we can eat and have some energy to keep going in this life, you know what I mean? This, ladies and gentlemen, is mbisi ya kukauka, smoked fish. I have about 2 of them in there, I already break them. So, all the way from the motherland. Really tasty. Really tasty, you can taste it. What we're gonna do now, since it's so dry, we're gonna put it in warm water. We're gonna put it in warm water so it can be a little softer for a couple minutes so it can be a little softer. And then we cook it. We make it. And we're gonna eat it with fufu. I'm gonna make it with fufu today. My favorite. It's like magic. Pa. Abracadabra. Boom. Put this in the water, warm water so you can soften it. Stay tuned. Let's make this food and eat together. Alright? Bra. You're gonna leave it there till it gets soft, and then we make the lunch. It shouldn't be that long, okay? Do you know what this is? Mango. My favorite fruit. Mango. How's everybody doing, man? I hope you're doing great. I hope your day is going good. Or your day was good if it's a night already. Wow. Some sweet mango. I'm out here living life to the fullest. Remember, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Regardless of what's going on, life is beautiful. It will never rain forever. The sun has to come out. Just hang on there. Hang on there. These too shall pass. Anyway, what's your favorite fruit? Mine is mango. I love mango. I eat mango for breakfast, mango for lunch, mango for dinner. Even my snack is mango. Guess what flavor water I drink? You guess it right, mango flavor. Guess what my favorite cake is? You guess it right, mango cake. Guess what my favorite juice is? Yes, you guessed it right. Mango juice. Life is beautiful. Whatever's going on, it's not gonna last forever. You need to be patient. Give it time. When I say time, I don't mean your time. God's time. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Please, let's push it. Let's push it. before the year ends. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I speak it and commend it. The best part. Now, let's make the smoked fish. It's ready. Soft and ready. There you go. It's nice and soft now. Yes. It's nice and soft. We're in business. We're gonna clean it, wash it off nicely, and then we cook it. Yes. We ready? We ready. You ready? We ready. Are you ready? Cause we ready. Let's get it. That's ready. Nice and clean. The veggies are ready too. Got tomatoes, garlic, green pepper. You see the orange thing there? That's habanero. And of course, onion. We are not using red onions today. No flavored red onions today. White onions. Let's get it. Voila. We're gonna let it boil for a little bit, couple minutes, can get a little softer, and also to make the sauce thicker, nice and thicker. And then we can make fufu, aka ugali, to eat with. Are you ready? Because I am ready. My stomach is kinda empty. When you do fufu, you work out at the same time. That's why I have a 6-pack or 1-pack. And when you eat, you enjoy because you sweat for it. You enjoy, you eat it with precision. Yeah, because you worked hard for it. Fufu not the joke, oh. Fufu not the joke. Ladies and gentlemen, voila. Let's meet at the dinner table. Let's go eat. Come on. Yeah, smoked fish. Bon appetit. Finally. Spicy, let's see. Oh yeah, salt is nice. I like it nice and simple. I like simple cooking. I'm really into simple cooking. Just simple so we can keep the flavor. Yeah. Nice and soft. The flavor. The flavor is different. can see. It's been real. It's been good. It's been fun. I gotta go. Everything good comes to the end. Thank you for sticking by. Sengo's Kitchen. Subscribe, comment, and like. See you in the next episode. We are out.